How to allow or block installing apps on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and in here, tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. In here, you want to tap on Installing Apps. And from the list, you can choose Allow or Don't Allow. So select one of the available options. If you choose Don't Allow, you are blocking the phone from allowing you to installing other apps or new apps. And that's it. So select one of the available options and then tap on the back key, or you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.